So the thalamus is broken up into specific nuclei that are responsible for relaying information from specific types of senses. So there's a specific nucleus for visual information relay and for auditory relay and for different types of somatosensory relay. And that's what you see here. These sort of chunked regions right here are specific nuclei of cells that relay information. Okay? What I want you to see in this slide is there is one nucleus that completely surrounds all the other nuclei, I should say. Okay, and that's called the nucleus reticularis thalami, or the NRT. The NRT. And the NRT is loaded with GABAergic cells. What does that mean? Well, hopefully you're starting to learn what some of these neurotransmitters do, and that GABA is the most widely used inhibitory neurotransmitter in the body, in the brain. And so it inhibits, it creates IPSPs. It says no action potentials, just say no sort of nucleus. So what happens is sensory information comes in to the thalamus. The thalamus wants to send it up to the cortex, but it's got to get through the NRT first. So the NRT is considered the gatekeeper of information. So for instance, let's say you're on your way to the bathroom because you got to pee really bad. Okay, it hurts. Okay, and you're walking over there and you're in the middle of college campus, so you're kind of nervous. You don't want to look like a jerk walking over there, so you're kind of walking up straight, but you're in pain. You waited too long to go pee and now it hurts. But on your way over there, you meet that cute person that you never get a chance to see. You got kind of a little crush on them, and it's a unique opportunity for you, and you do not want to blow it. Okay? So what happens, what your NRT does, it says, let's stop that information going up about your bladder about to explode. Instead, let's focus on talking to this person and see if, something can happen between us. Okay? So the NRT shuts that down, shuts that sensation down. And then as soon as someone else goes by, as soon as that person goes by, you feel that pain again. This is also where I usually mention the hairs on your butt. Sorry, but you all got butt hairs. Okay? And if you're sitting down and listening to this right now, they are screaming at you. They're bent over. They're sending action potentials to your brain that says, hey, I'm all squished over here. But you know what the NRT does? The NRT goes, no, sorry, butt hairs. We're not sending that information up. We got better things we're doing. So, a couple of examples right there how the nucleus reticularis thalami is the gatekeeper. Some argue the center for the soul, if you will, the ability to regulate what goes to your conscious mind. Okay? So the NRT is kind of a unique nucleus within the thalamus. Please understand it as the gatekeeper.